Can't play your favorite Roblox game because error code 525 keeps popping up on your computer? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox Error Code 525 on your computer. So let's get going. Solution 1. First, try resetting your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, change your DNS server to an optimized one. To do this, open up Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Next, select Manual from here. And turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the Preferred DNS box, set the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now check if you can play Roblox without this error. Solution 3. If the error is still popping up, uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from Microsoft Store. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings. Next, click on Apps and then on Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the three-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now search for Microsoft Store and open it up. Then type Roblox in the search bar here and then hit Enter. Now click on Roblox, then click on Get, and Roblox should start installing. Once it's done, just hit the play button and you should be able to play Roblox without this error. So that's how you fix Roblox Error Code 525 on your computer. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll reply to you soon. Thanks for watching.